Hey, let's do some data analysis by using Microsoft Excel. Let's jump in. Hey, as you can see, I've already uploaded my data set here, and let me change the name of the sheet with resource management. My cursor is not working. Okay, resource management, and you also add more sheet here. As I am doing it, and you also use the wrap text here above. You can see you can adjust your data set. If your data set is little unadjustable, you can adjust with wrap text. Your column is not particularly good, then you can adjust that one. Okay, and the most, as you can see, the ribbon, the above part you called as ribbon. Here we can see the home page, insert, draw, page layout, formula, data review, each and everything you can use. I'm changing the color of the interference here, header. You also put filter, and you also remove filter. While doing the data analysis, filter is most important to find out. But if your data set is large, it's not so these. So I'm doing some adjustment here. I'm removing my filter, and as you can see, the above, the lookup options is there in the formula bar. Let me copy this employee name and employee ID and paste it here in the new sheet. And then so after that I'm doing the VLOOKUP. So I have to find out salary here. So let me copy that salary header and paste it here. My formula is equal to VLOOKUP. So you have to select the employee ID name, and select your column with the till where you have to go. Like salary, is equal to 10 is 0. Still we are not getting the data. Oops, we are doing some mistake here. Right, let me try once again. Let me remove this first, and then we have to do it. Let me do is equal to VLOOKUP comma, and then we have to select. Okay, we did some mistake here. Salary comma 9 is equal to 0. Now you can see I got the data here, right? Let me double click, and you got the data here. Now I've already done all the VLOOKUP here, so it's done from my side. And let me So see how many active employee status is there, and so positions, so open positions, how many open positions, right? Salary, as you can see. So I have done the VLOOKUP here. So if you can see, the data is came here, right? And see salary, and so I have successfully do the VLOOKUP here for all the columns. Now I'll just do some pivot table here. Create one pivot table for this data set. Here the above you can see the option of pivot table, right? Let me create the pivot table here. So first I have to select, like you can put Control Shift down and Control Shift right. Then you can select your whole data. Let me go to the pivot table. Here we have an option of pivot table, right? Pivot tables, and then we have to click OK. And yeah, I got some error here. Why? Let me do it once again. I have to go in the new worksheet. Okay, now you can see the interference. I'm in the pivot table, and then here is my columns: employee name, employee ID, salary, position, and employee status. I will use these things: add to filter, add to row, add to column, add to value, add to slicer. Let me drag and drop in rows, column, employee name. Okay, and salary, employee ID in filter. Let me give this salary in not in min value, and in position in column, employee status in this. So it's not look perfect, right? I think it's not correct. So let me do some changes here. This is very simple. You can do it, right? In filter, you can play with the pivot table. It's better. I always play pivot table whenever I am working on. Now you can see the positions and sum of salaries, how many open positions. You have to remove this show. Okay, subtotal part. If you click on that, there's some options. Show. Yeah, now I have removed that one. Okay, now if you are click over on that, you can see the detail here. Employee ID, salary, position, active. This employee is active, and this, those who are inactive, it's showing like that employee is not active, right? And you, let me change something. It's not good. And now it's perfect. How many active employee? You can also remove here. Sub don't show. Now you can see how many are active, how many voluntary terminated. So you can filter out that applied, exceed the terminated, how many are, you can see below 16 are terminated, right? If you click over there, you can get all the details here. You also do some unfilter also. Yep, you can see the positions, how many are DBA, how many production technician. You can see your present your data like that also, how many